Welcome to the live bench evaluation of CN058 Smart Lock Solution. CN058 Smart Lock Solution. A next-generation smart lock with fingerprint recognition, low-power Wi-Fi, and AWS IoT cloud integration for secure remote access control. With LiveBench, engineers can evaluate real-time authentication and IoT-based lock management, making it ideal for home automation, commercial security, and industrial access control. The evaluation setup consists of the CN058 Smart Lock Kit and a smartphone running the Smart Lock app. The app activates and deactivates the locking mechanism. Click Plug in to connect to the real hardware and start the evaluation. This section comprises the input controls for the LiveBench evaluation. And this section on the right displays the evaluation output. The input section provides a brief introduction about the guidance on how to perform the remote lock-unlock actions. Click on Open Door to successfully unlock the door. The red LED blinks briefly, and the blue LED stays on, indicating successful unlock. Observe the Smart Lock application stream for the lock status updates in real time. The LED stream displays the real-time feedback with red and blue LED indicators. Click on Close Door to successfully lock the door. The red LED blinks briefly and then turns off, confirming that the door is locked. For more information, please click the What's This section available. Observe all lab activities with the progress log, keeping a detailed record of system performance. See the simulation in action with live video, streaming the entire lab setup in real time so you never miss a detail. Need help? Use the AI-powered Knowledge Assistant to get instant answers for any question related to the lab or from the datasheets. Here is an example. Need extra guidance? Activate Assist Me mode for step-by-step instructions and additional insights into the evaluation process, helping you navigate every feature with ease. Need more details? The hamburger menu gives you access to the complete user manual and additional resources. Curious about other LiveBench projects? Click the home icon to explore more exciting designs. Thank you and happy evaluation!